And we know that Mindanao tells stories of the Moro, of the Lumad, of migrants, of survivors. Hindi po ito lugar ng awa, kundi lugar ng tibay at lugar ng pagpupursigi. The state made this investment on you knowingly and willingly. So we believe that you have the potential to contribute towards peace, towards progress in Mindanao. The skeptics will ask, bakit dito ka sa Mindanao? Maraming lugar ang mas madali. Madaling umalis, pero mas karapat dapat ang tumaya. Parang love lang yan, hindi ba? Because UP never promised it would be easy. It promised conviction. UP sought to give you not just knowledge, but moral courage. Not just theories, but tools for transformation. We need achievers who make sense of their merit. Mindanao is on the rise, and with you, it can continue to rise. Balang araw, kapag tinanong po kayo kung ano ang kwento nyo dito sa UP, huwag nyong ipakita ang inyong diploma lamang. Ipakita nyo kung paano kayo naging bahagi ng paghilom at pag-ahon.